everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel and welcome to Queen of Hills Nilgiris. And today we are on our way to Doddabetta, Tea Factory, Chocolate Factory, Botanical Garden and Karnataka Shri Horticulture Garden. So let's get into the vlog. Now we are going to the bar and restaurant to have breakfast. So let's see what's in the menu. Today in the menu there was idli, vada, poha, bread and egg. It's a complimentary breakfast along with our stay. Everything was tasty. I'll leave a card to check out more details about the hotel. So we are done with breakfast and now we are going for sightseeing. The route to the Doddabetta mountain is super scenic with tall trees and winding roads. We did a little shopping in the Doddabetta stalls, so we got beanie caps. The beanie caps were really cute. Last year we had come to Doddabetta, but that time there were no stalls on both the sides. This time they have put stalls. It's crowded this year. The term Doddabetta means big mountain. In Badga language, it is a combination of two words, Doda meaning big and Betta which means mountain. Doddabetta is the highest peak in the Tamil Nadu and is about 10 kilometers from Ooty bus stand. It is the second highest peak of South India. Magnificent and beautiful view from the top, super scenic. From here you can see the Ooty town. From here you have to get down few more steps. From there as well you can see the beautiful view of the Ooty town, Avlanchi and Mukurthi. So now we are on our way to the tea factory. Last year as well we had visited this place. This place has the best chocolates. To go to the chocolate factory, you have to first visit the tea factory. Then from there you can go to the chocolate factory. The entry fee is 10 rupees per person. In the tea factory, they show you how the tea leaves are processed to get the tea powder. So we are on our way to the chocolate factory to buy some chocolates. It's a must visit place for chocolate lovers. Different varieties of chocolates, giving it the honest review. The chocolates taste really amazing. Done with chocolate shopping. It was 1 p.m. We had our afternoon lunch at Hotel Paradise. The food taste was good. So we had our lunch at Paradise Hotel and now we are on our way to Botanical Garden. Spread over an area of 55 acres, the Government Botanical Garden is one of the most visited tourist spots of Ooty. This one glass house was luckily open. Due to the flower show going to happen in the third week of May, they are setting up for the flower show, so the other glass house were closed. So we are exploring Botanical Garden and this garden is huge. It's humongous. Like I'm walking from so long, still not completed. The garden is good and vast. The place is huge with greenhouse, trees, bushes and shrubs. It has a variety of rare plants and flowers, all well preserved. It is a well-maintained garden, good ambience and eco-friendly place. It's a great place for plant and flower lovers. We stopped in a shop to buy some workie. So Ooty is famous for workies and chocolates. Do buy them. The next place and the last tourist spot for the day is Karnataka Shri Horticulture Garden. It was developed by the Horticulture Department of Karnataka to pave the way for interstate cooperation through tourism. Spread across 38 acres, it is the second largest garden in the hill station. Very beautiful place surrounded by valley with lots of flowers, less crowded. Last year as well we had visited this place. Nothing changed, similar to last year, well maintained place. It's a great place to visit with family. The highlight of this garden is the hanging bridge. This place was not open last year when we had visited. So much colorful plants and flowers. More than 500 plants. Such a beautiful and colorful place it is. It's a must visit place for flower and plant lovers. Do check this place. So we are done exploring Karnataka Shri Horticulture Garden and we are going back to our hotel to take some rest. Tomorrow we'll be leaving to Kannur, so let's see there. We had a dinner at Baron Restaurant. It's the last day at Baron Hotel and we'll be moving tomorrow morning to Kannur. So we'll be staying in Kannur for 2 days. Next vlog coming soon. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.